Today we're making zucchini fettuccine, and we're going to be using 3 kinds of nuts, a cup each, cashews and pine nuts and macadamia nuts. Of course we need the zucchini, so I got 3 local zucchini, which is pretty exciting, and I also had to get one from the store to make 4. We'll need 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, the recipe says, but I only have a half a lemon and a half a lime, so I'm hoping that'll make 3 tablespoons. Then 2 cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, a little bit of water, and we'll mix it all together and we'll see if it's delicious. I'll start with the zucchini. What I do to make the zucchini noodles is just cut off the 2 ends and then get a potato peeler and peel off the outside that's dark green, or in the case of the local zucchini, kind of a light green. And once you've got that outside part off, then you're going to start making the noodles. Now, you could eat the outside too, that'd be just fine. But to make it more like what we're used to with fettuccine, I just use the inside. And this is the kind of thing that can be served hot or cold, so it's your choice. You don't have to boil it or anything like that. But when we start in, you're going to see it. It's kind of amazing. This old potato peeler will work just fine to make the zucchini noodles, just like this. Now we have a whole bunch of zucchini noodles. So we're going to move on to the nuts. We'll take a cup of cashews, and then a cup of macadamias, and a cup of pine nuts. And that all sounds like it's going to be pretty filling, which I think it will be. I'm curious to see if my kids will like this. Sometimes you make unusual stuff and kids like it a lot better when they make it with you. Have you ever noticed that? So, here go the cashews. Let's turn that on. And then let's get the macadamias. These are even richer. These will be delicious. And last, the pine nuts. And of course, if there are any of these things that you're allergic to, you can leave them out and just have more of a different kind of nut. Like, you could make the whole thing with a cup and a half of macadamia and a cup and a half of cashews. Here go the pine nuts. It's kind of amazing. It's all getting mixed up. I'm going to drop in the 2 cloves of garlic. And we need our soy sauce. Here it comes. 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. 1, 2. Now the question is, will we be able to get enough lemon juice if we count the lime as a lemon? And I don't know. We'll try it. We're trying to get 3 tablespoons out of 2 halves. Well, this is making 1. Put that in. And there's 2. Now we're trusting in this little lime to give us 3. Come on, little lime. Sometimes it's a good idea to take your recipe to the store with you and make sure you have absolutely everything you need, so that if you need to get another lemon, you get one. Here goes 3. We'll stir. And then it says 2 tablespoons of water. All right. 1, 2. Now that should be getting more like a sauce. It looks pretty thick, but it smells wonderful. Wow, and it looks wonderful too. I think we're going to be able to put this right on top of these noodles and we'll have zucchini fettuccine. And that's it. We did it. I mix it in with my hands, so you'll want to be ready to wash your hands and make sure you wash them before and after. But this zucchini makes me think about how zucchini fettuccine might be even better with mushrooms. And we have a place in the library where you can learn more about mushrooms. Let's go there next. So I was thinking how good it would be to have some mushrooms with that zucchini fettuccine. And before you pick any local mushrooms, you want to really know what you're doing. So you might want to get a library book about mushrooms. And I'm over here in the 589s. There are lots of guidebooks over here and books about plants, even books about animals. So many good books that are here waiting for you at the library. I hope you have a chance to come by soon. Now some of you are going to say, but what about the written recipe? So I do have that. I want to show you. Very simple, just what we did. The 4 zucchini, and then we added in, for the Alfredo sauce, the cashews, pine nuts, macadamias, lemon juice, garlic and soy sauce, and a little bit of water. I hope you have fun making this and that we get to meet again soon in real life. Bye for now.